If you want to pull from a repository on GitHub, this is how you're going to do it. So first things first, of course, you're going to head over to github.com. And then from here, you're going to make sure that you're logged in or you're already signed up to an account. Now, from your home or your dashboard, you're going to head over on the top right corner of the screen. You're going to click on your profile icon. And then from the drop-down menu that'll appear, you're going to click on repositories. Now, from the repositories page, you're just going to tap on the repository that you want to pull from. So for example, we're going to use this test. Now from here, we're just going to add changes to this repository so that we can pull it. So for example, we're going to click on add file right there. I'm going to click on create new file. So I'm going to name this file sample for pull. Now from there, I'm going to add a content for this one. So let's say this is a sample that isn't in the local folder. Now, we're going to hit on commit changes right here at the top. And then I'm going to add a commit message right there. For example, I'm going to add in a new, let's say, pull test. I'm going to then click on commit changes right there. Now, once that is saved, we will be able to see it right here. So this one is named sample for pull. Now, this one isn't added in our local folder, which is the reason why we need to pull it. So what we're going to do is we're going to locate the local folder or like the clone from our desktop. Like I have here my test folder, which is the same repository that I have cloned. Now I'm going to head on test to open it. And then from there, as you can see, that sample for pull isn't added in here. So in order for us to pull that, we're going to right click on this folder and then we're going to hover a mouse over this new button. From there, we're going to we're going to right click on our mouse and then we're going to click on open git bash here. And then from there, we're going to wait for this one to load. It's going to enlarge this one. And then I'm going to type in git pull. And then we're going to type in origin. And then we're going to add the branch name here. I'm going to show you where you can find that. So this is basically the branch name. Mine is named main, but you can also have other branch names. So it depends where you have your new folder or your new file added, whether it be the main branch or some other branch that you have created. So for mine, I have my main. I only have one, so I'm going to use this branch name. I'm going to head back to my git bash, and then from there we're going to type in the branch name. Now I'm going to hit on click, and then I'm going to wait for this to be processed. Now as you can see here, it has read that one file changed, and then it has inserted one file from the GitHub repository. Now we're just going to double check that. We're going to check here. We're going to right click our mouse once again, and then from there we're going to hit on refresh and then see if it has been added. And so you can see here the sample for pull document has been added, and that's it. That is how you can pull a document or repository from GitHub. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.